In example 4, we are testing the claim that the mean sugar content for all cereals is less than 0.3 grams, and let's use the traditional method. We need to start by finding HO and H1. And again, we're testing the claim that the mean is less than 0.3 grams, so that's telling us what the alternative hypothesis is. The mean is less than 0.3 grams, and that's the claim. So that means that the null hypothesis is the mean is equal to 0.3 grams. Next, we need to find the test statistic. Since we do not know the population standard deviation, we will need to find t. And since we would have to enter the data into the calculator to find the sample standard deviation in order to use the formula for the test statistic, it's easier just to use the calculator to find t. So when you use your calculator to find t, you should find that t is equal to negative 0.119. Be sure to round to 3 decimal places, just like table A-3. And now let's find any critical values. From the less than and the alternative hypothesis, we know that we have a left-tailed test. Alpha is 0.05, so the area in that tail is 0.05, means that we have 0.95 to the right. The sample size is 16, so the degrees of freedom is 15. In table A3, you should find the critical value to be negative 1.753. So the test statistic of negative 0.119 is to the right of the critical value and not in the critical region. So that means that we failed to reject the null hypothesis. So the claim is with the alternative hypothesis, and we failed to reject the null hypothesis. So that means there is not sufficient evidence to support the claim that the mean is less than 0.3 grams.